Hello everyone! Today, let's talk about our energy. Our energy affects our life and also the lives of others. This energy that we carry affects our whole being, our behavior, our character, our thinking, and our emotions. Now, there are days that we are fully charged, full of energy. We are happy, we are cheerful, we are full of joy. There are days that we are low bat. We are very low in energy and we experience stress, anxiety, depression, whatever. We are all human beings. We are all energies, and each one transmits an energy. What are the factors that make us fully charged, that make us full of energy? There are many factors. Specific examples, if we feel that we are appreciated by the people around us, it makes our energy full or enough, or we accomplished something, we feel happy. If you become successful in the endeavor that you are exerting effort, you feel happy, thereby uplifting or making your energy full. If you receive a promotion in your job, it means an increase in your salary. There are many ways of boosting one's energy. One may say that his family is his energy booster. That's why he is inspired to work hard. Others may say that, oh, my pet dog or my pet cat, it is my energy booster. It gives me joy. Oh, just by seeing beautiful flowers in the meadow, it's an energy booster to me. People who are well known, who have strong personalities, like for example in the entertainment world, these people transmit good vibes or bad vibes, and their vibes impact the people. Vibes are also a form of energy. And what about foods? Foods also affect our energy. If we eat healthy foods, our body becomes healthy. And that makes us think better, work better. The diseases are far from us. Foods can lower also our energy level. Foods that are rich in fats, in sugar, in preservatives, our body becomes unhealthy and the body attracts diseases like diabetes, high cholesterol, high blood, cancer, other kinds of diseases. And the result is the person cannot work well, cannot think well, cannot behave well. If that person is a family man and he is sick, he is not productive, he cannot work, it affects the whole family, right? In a room filled with people, filled with audience, and then here comes this comedian. On the stage, he makes jokes, he cracks jokes, he makes fun things. The audience was silent before, but when the comedian entered, the audience became noisy, clapping their hands, laughing, being so engrossed by what the comedian is doing. Do you experience that when you lack sleep? The following morning when you wake up, even if the day is beautiful, you are moody. No? You are moody. It's because of lack of sleep. You easily get angry. You easily get annoyed. One reason is that you lack sleep. Through awareness, we can make our life better. Awareness is the birthplace of possibilities. You can do whatever you want to do. Everything that you want to be starts here in awareness. Having self-awareness, meaning you know who you are and how you relate to the world. And when this triggers, everyone has triggers. And when these triggers become present in your environment, you know how to tackle them. Well, life is composed of ups and downs. Not every day is full energy. Not every day is low energy. There are times that life is easy. There are times that life is difficult. Not always that life is difficult. So through self-awareness, we learn how to handle our energy for the betterment of our life. Learning is free and nobody will stop you from learning. We are willing to have changes in our life to live for the better. Remember that changes don't happen overnight. It will take time to change our old habits. But if we have patience and we are willing to learn, beautiful changes will happen in our life. So that's the end of my video. I hope you subscribe, give it a like, leave a comment, and push the notification bell or click the notification bell for more videos. Thank you.